Before we start, I have a surprise for you. If you want to improve your Arabic handwriting even faster, I've prepared a free handwriting worksheet just for you. You can download it using the link in the description below. Print it as many times as you need and practice writing the letter again and again. So, download your worksheet, keep it beside you, and let's learn how to write the first letter of the Arabic alphabet together. Which one of these is the letter?
Alif,
The answer is both of them are.
Alif.
Don't worry, in this lesson, I'll show you exactly how to write it in each position with simple, step-by-step examples. One of the most important rules about the letter, Alifun, can connect to the letter before it, but it never connects to the letter after it. This is
Alif,
when it comes at the beginning of a word. First, we're writing
Alif,
alifun without al-hamzatu. So we're writing only a simple, straight vertical line. Start at the top. Draw one straight line down. And that's it. Begin. Now let's learn how to write alifun at the beginning of a word with al-hamza. We always start by writing the hamza first. Place your pencil here at the top. Make a small curve. Now curve around and finish with a short line to the left. Draw one straight line all the way down. Begin. And this is also,
Alif,
but you'll see it when it appears in the middle or at the end of a word. We start with the small horizontal line on the right. Move your pencil from right to left to make the short horizontal stroke. Now, without lifting your pencil, turn upward. Draw one straight vertical line all the way up. Begin. Don't forget to download your free handwriting worksheets using the link in the description below. Grab your pencil, print your worksheets, and keep practicing.